Welcome back to another adventure. Today I am back out at the Republic Adit. Finally managed to find some waders and figured I'd come up here and try them out on this one since it's a little over the boots. Bunch of turkey tracks and then it looks like a cat track or something maybe coming through here. I don't know if you can see that, but doesn't look like it went up into the mine or anything, so I'm going to see if I can't drop down in there and see what it looks like. All right, I am inside. Looks like I might turn there. It's pretty much, it was the deepest right there. I had to drop in right there. Still kind of tippy-toeing on with waders on, but I don't think there's going to be anything in here, but still don't hurt to be cautious. Yeah, looks like it turns. Yeah, definitely turns. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, this is good. So I got some rail and some wood. And tunnel keeps going this way. That's pretty good. Got some track ties here. Big old calcite volcano there. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, this keeps going. Depending on how far this goes, I may end up coming back to it. I wasn't expecting it to be much today, but it's kind of looking like this is going to tie into the Republic mine like I thought. Got a spike in the ceiling there. It's kind of cool. Calcite or something. I guess I've had it zoomed in this whole time. Well, I'm just gonna keep seeing what we got here. Don't look like anybody's been in here. That's pretty cool. Looks like they had wooden rail down. Oh yeah, this has gotta tie into the rest of the Republic mine. Huh. Turn back and look at that way. Huh. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Like I said, I was not expecting much out of this one. We'll see, I guess. Going around another corner here. Actually got the metal down on it still here. Oh, no, faces. Yep, faces out. Dang it. Well, I was hoping that this would run into the rest of the Republic mine workings, because as far as I know, the only way into them is from the top, and there's a kind of an air shaft. There's some pretty sparkly stuff in the walls there. Oh yeah, kind of cool. But yeah, so there's an air shaft that comes in from the top of the Republic workings that is pretty much a straight drop down for hundreds of feet. So I dropped a little pack rat nest with all the rocks around it. That's cool. Dropped a flashlight and a camera down it. You guys will probably see that sometime. But yeah, so this is cool. That's a little more than I thought it was going to be, but not quite as much as I was hoping it would be. So, but either way, worked out. Gave me something to check out. Kind of an older Miller bottle there, probably from an Explorer years ago, but yeah, just because of how flooded it is, I don't think anybody's been in it for a while. All right, so I am out front of the mine now. There's the entrance there. Coming down here, although this is kind of tailings pile, but I wasn't sure what to expect on this one, because it could either tie into the Republic mine or just be a separate adit. All of the documents of the actual Republic mine don't mention this adit, so I have a feeling it was just kind of a one-off little mom and pop operation or something, and wasn't part of the main workings. So I was glad to get in there, put this one to rest, and you know, see where it went, and now we know. So on to some other ones. Thanks for watching.